welcome to my channel. I am currently in Dubai downtown where you see the BURJ KHALIFA. Currently on Sheikh Mohammed ibn Rashid Boulevard, and today is New Year's Eve. Currently around 1 o'clock. We are just making our way towards the Dubai Mall, but I am excited to show you guys how to celebrate New Year's Eve in one of the greatest cities in the world, which is Dubai. We were one of the people who booked restaurants within the mall area because we did not feel like standing in the public area, just because it will be more work and stress. So we thought, okay, let's just drop like $500 and 5 guys and have a good view of the BURJ KHALIFA on New Year's Eve. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys exactly what to expect. There are road closures and it's going to be a lot of chaos, and especially how to exit out of the mall after the fireworks show. So yeah, I'm excited to show you guys. So as you guys could see that they're having barricades along the boulevard here. There's a ton of workers here. Not traffic yet, but around maybe 3-4 o'clock there's going to be a ton of traffic, I'm sure. And there are checkpoints along the boulevard. I think you see a tent right there. There's a checkpoint. There's another one further down. And we have been given these wristbands to show when we enter in. That way we have access to enter into the restaurant that we booked. So yeah, people who are also in hotels too have this, maybe a similar wristband. Yeah, this is my outfit I have. It's like a nice simple like dress. I thought I'd wear something that's loose, but keep in mind that close to like nighttime, it's gonna be chilly, so I recommend bringing like a sweater or a scarf to wear at night because it will be chilly in December in Dubai. My sister's outfit, hers is so pretty. I love it. Aw. Forgot to mention, they also gave us these cards too to show, I guess, to enter in. They also have a map too. We were just saying like we're gonna go get lunch, but like they were giving people advice to come super early just because they want people to avoid traffic. I don't blame them. That's why we're here around like 1:30, because we want to like be at the mall and make it easier for us, and you know, grab something to eat, go do some shopping. People can watch movies here. There's an arcade here. There's attractions. Yeah. So we're currently inside Dubai Mall, and it is super packed. Oh my god, look at this. Complete chaos. There's a lot of people here. We're just trying to figure out how to get to Five Guys, but it's very crowded here. Ooh. Here we go. It's crazy. People were like with no reservations trying to sneak in. I don't know what they were doing, but it was chaotic there. They had to just move aside. You have to have a wristband in order to get through that barricade. Anyways, we're out of that. Alhamdulillah, let's go. Watch your step. Got Tracy's. Apologize, it's a bit dark, but they gave us goodie bags here. Not sure what's inside, but I'll open them later. But this is our feeding right here, and then this will be our view. I think this is a good view. So now we have a 15-minute fountain show, and we thoroughly enjoyed that while we're waiting for midnight. So a lot of us were able to, view the fountain show and grab something to eat. There is unlimited food and drinks at Five Guys. It was really good and tasty. But yeah, we're just waiting here currently and just enjoying the view. People are enjoying themselves. It is absolutely peaceful here. We had a moment where people were like trying to break into like the area. We heard securities yelling at them, but security was able to like take them away. But yeah, this is where we are currently sitting and just enjoying ourselves for the time being. It started getting a little chilly, so I told you guys earlier, like, get a sweater. If you're gonna do this next year, highly recommend. It'll get super chilly later on, especially with the fountains here. It splashes water on you. But yeah, anyways, now there you have it. That was the fireworks show for New Year's Eve. It was spectacular. I think they broke another world record for the most lasers, the most light projections, the water fountain, I'm sure. They broke another one working, I'm sure. But welcome to 2023. I can't believe we made it another year away from COVID and all the chaos of it, and we're still recovering obviously, but we are now facing a new normal. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, like it, comment. This is not the end of the video. I need to show you guys exactly how we get out of this place, and let me tell you, it was chaos. When we got outside, we did not see any buses, even though they said there were some buses. We saw like 2 buses that were going to Dera, which wasn't where our hotel was. So we kept on walking down, and then we walked for so long that we ended up going towards this next station. It was so many crowds, we were kind of lost to what to do next. We walked for like 2 hours, and we were told different directions. Finally, we found a station to take it back towards Business Bay, which is where our hotel was. We've learned to rent a car or get a hotel near the mall just to avoid this crowd and the mess because of their street closures. We just reopened the subways, so it was very hard to get back to the hotel. We got back around 3 a.m. But I recommend those options after the New Year's Eve. Guys, have a happy new year, and thanks for watching. Bye.